yesterday. It is so beautiful and majestic. It is really, really nice.
इसी के पास कुछ नहीं, हमने सारे एडिबल्स हटा दिए हैं, मना कर दिए हैं, कुछ नहीं है, बस वॉलेट
I don't understand why he was pushing the bags yesterday. Because he saw that we were to get one. I know, we're literally So we'll be doing a guided tour in here. This guy here will be doing the tour.
Right now in Fort of Agra. This is the Agra Fort, not Red Fort. Red Fort in Delhi. Delhi today is capital of India. Time of Mughal, Agra was capital. The whole the ruling country of Agra. Even Agra capital, the country of India is very big empire. Even Pakistan, Bangladesh and Afghanistan rule in Agra city. This fort basically built by number 3rd Mughal emperor Akbar the Great. Akbar, he was liberal, secular. Akbar the Great. Akbar loved all the religions. He had 3 queens, each queen belonged to each religion, Hindu, Muslim and Christian. Same reason, 3 windows, each window standing on the top. King Ben was back, long time back to home, girls the fold on the rose petal rose shower. Welcome to King, warming welcome. But today you have a long transport. You have a luxury car. Next time in Agra Fort, along with elephant riding, I will arrange a beautiful carpet, beautiful girls and beautiful musicians. Again, you are welcome along with the music, with the rose petal, with the shower. I hope so. The next time, done in elephant riding. Akbar's son Jahangir. Jahangir also built this fort. Jahangir number 4. He was very romantic. He had 1,000 concubines. He was very busy. Love the wine, love the woman, love the books. He had 1,000 concubines. Jahangir mean is a conquered the world. Jahangir actual name Muhammad Salim when was prince. Then became as a king, he gave the title Jahangir. Jahangir mean conquered the world. Jahangir son Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan number 5th also built this fort. Shah Jahan was very popular. He first built Agra Fort, then he built Taj Mahal, even he built of Delhi Red Fort and Delhi Jama Mosque. Built by 5th Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Shah Jahan, he was very rich man. How much annual income? Your annual income. Any idea? Shah Jahan had 108 million US dollar earlier those days. Richest man all over the world. How many times it will multiply? Earlier those days, the cost of India, the price of the gold only 60,000. Time of Mughal cost of the gold only 10 rupees per gram as a dollar. And today the 60,000. How much money? Those days, annual income of this guy, Shah Jahan. Richest man all over the world. Same guy became very poor man all over the world. His son also prison on Agra Fort last 8 years. Beautiful in prison room. When you look at, you are very impressed. Shah Jahan's son Aurangzeb also built this fort. The whole fort complete took 95 years. Contribute 4 Mughal emperor Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. They spent money in this fort 3.5 million rupees earlier those days. Total area Fort of Agra 153 acres. I told you, surrounded area Fort of Agra, 2 big wall and 2 big moat. One of the wall of boundary, outer is a 40, inner is a 70 feet. Wall of the design as a battlemented, the wall of boundary behind appoint archer. Archer loaded gun, cannon with one arrow. No chance any enemy tried to attack on Fort of Agra. Even outside the Fort of Agra, there are the water canals. Canal filled with the water, there are the crocodile and alligators. Not now, gone are the days. And second one is the dry one. This is a wild animal, Bengali tigers, panther, leopard, all the wild animals. But not now, gone are the days. So then we are going in. I give you the plenty time for photography and I give you time for explanation. Okay?
What a beauty. This is amazing. We're going to take a group picture in front of this.
शाहिद भाई
This is the jacuzzi.
One of the anchors.
Keep inside. Inside, how possible? You know, he was prince. He took the bath outside the open courtyard. It's not possible. He took the bath inside. So this tub made of the one piece of stone, entire the tub covered with the gold and silver. Those days, gold and silver, it was very normal matter. Value of those days is stone, precious stone. So inside the precious stone, tomorrow morning go to Taj. Taj wall are decorated with all the gems stone, precious stone. But few stone of the original preserved of the Taj Mahal in Agra Fort, originally stolen by the British people. Someone is still preserved. Nice British, big loot all over the world of the British and preserved from the Tower of London Museum, Winter Castle and British Museum. So this height.
Girls roaming free. No fear. Okay, so the tour will now continue on in. So we are going in now.
Mughal Emperor Jahangir had two queens officially. Hindu queen name of the Manbai and second wife the name of the Noor Jahan. Noor Jahan, she was a very passionate woman. She belonged of the Iranian lady. So Noor, which means light, Jahan means the world, light of the world. So Jahangir loved the beautiful women, had 1,000 concubines. So Jahangir first wife Hindu, she used to be sleeping in this room, no door, only for hanging curtain. Curtain depend as a season. Summer they used to be expensive Persian silk, and winter time they used to be expensive woolen copy. Look at this wall, is the extraordinary detail on the wall. This detail drawing by the hand mix without machine. All is done by hand. How detail, how work in this wall. Entire the detail includes the color. All your wall is blue and green color, like the graphic color, the Italian color, all colors. But entire that bedroom decorated carpet, wooden bed and chandeliers. Roof is covered with the tapestry, gold and silver. So many chandelier, whenever light burn, light touching the tapestry, happen the reflection around the area. But Mughal decline, British conquer, British order to army. Fire. There was fire, high degree heat touch on the roof, gold melt, silver and gold melt and fall down. Took by the British. This was a sleeping room, in front the dining hall behind the separate vegetarian kitchen. Non-veg is not allowed inside the kitchen. King was Muslim, but he respected all the religions. Shah Jahan, who Guy Biltaj and his mother the Hindu, father Muslim. But Jahangir respect all the religions. He was liberal. He built a beautiful temple for Hindu lady. Hindu lady every morning went to temple. She used to be worshipped inside the temple. All ideal keep inside time of Mughal. But today this fort is a World Heritage Site. Commercial activities and religious activities not allowed inside the palaces. So left hand side there was the library of King. King loved the books. He was to study on this library. Iconic library. Inside the entire library covered with the limestone. But today you can see inside only red sandstone. Right now you're standing on the center. That is a floor. Before this floor covered carpets and musicians sit on the music. King and queen went to dinner. Along with the dinner they listened to music. So music, you know, very cosmic power of that musician. All girls standing in there. Girl performance was dancing. Alive entertainment. All your doors. Look like the TV screen. So.
Absolutely stunning. It's really, 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 really stunning. Wow, wow, wow. How amazing. This place is beautiful. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Look at that. Taj Mahal. अब मेरे साथ आ जाओ. Let's go. Now I will show the magic.
Okay.
Oh, where is the Taj Mahal? Oh, you see that? Wait, where the Taj Mahal?
Okay, right there. Touch.
Huh?
It's right there.
Oh good lord. Oh good grief. Okay, it's there. Oh my god, it's there. Oh my word.
I can't see it.
Yeah. Let's see what he's telling us now.
That is optical illusion. You remember?
What's the optical illusion?
All the image distributed of the sun. Same like you go closer, so all the image distributed. You know, so yes, beautiful always a illusion. Beautiful no long time alive, very short time she died. Mumtaz also beautiful. She's not long time alive, very short time. She was died only 38 years when she died, and she gave birth to 14 children.
नया आता गया
Turkey, so she started making when songs like the Serbian one. 25. She's 25? 25?
Oh, she's 10 years old.
30.
Garden in front, the most expensive bedroom. You're behind. Look at that. This is Shah Jahan. Who guy built Taj Mahal? Shah Jahan had 4 wives. I told you. Number 3rd wife, Mumtaz Mahal, only gave birth to 14 children. Other 3 queens never gave birth to child. Only Mumtaz Mahal gave birth to 14 children. Unfortunately, 7 death and 7 survivor. How she's beautiful. Unfortunately, 3 daughter and 4 sons. All the 4 sons is a big competitor. Who's want to become the next king? King man go to very old. King would like the elder son. Elder son was very close of the father. He's sitting island on father's Shah. But younger one, Aurangzeb was brutal and pendant. He was just for the elder. We are counting 5. The bigger one, smaller one. How did fountains working out? Those did not electrical, no machines. Overhead big tank of water pressure came down. The pressure and gravity system, fountains working out. Pressure. So what is coming from the river? The whole palaces situated right hand side. Right hand side is a view of the river. They easily find out the water and enjoying with the breeze temperature also down on the river side. In the summer in city Niagara temperature go to very high. 47 and 46 burning temperature. So in Niagara you became as a born barbecue, burn color. So you have a time, plenty time, you go inside, take a round, take a photograph, enjoy everything. Then we are going to get all together. Celebrate it here like
Your fountains
Here is so beautiful and pristine. The work is really nice. We are basically moving through the entire area, and the tour guide is giving us information on each area. He was telling us that this area here had beautiful rugs, Persian rugs and stones and stuff, but they were stolen by the British. This is another area we've entered. From there you're supposed to be able to see the Taj Mahal. However, it's really foggy and we are unfortunately unable to. I do not know what will happen when we actually visit Taj Mahal. We may not see it. We'll be visiting tomorrow, so I will keep you all updated on that.
जहांगीर नूर जहांगीर कैसे बाहर था, उसने प्रॉमिस किया एक दो सीख कबाब जाम गिलास पे मैं आपको पूरी सल्तनत आपको दे देता हूँ। आई गिफ्ट द सल्तनत दे देता हूँ। आ जाओ जी, आ जाओ, प्लीज कम एवरीवन। From Gadaya, this was the jail of Shah Jahan. Nice jail, not bad. Before the jail, house arrest. House arrest. House arrest. Shah Jahan, before himself built this palace for beautiful Queen Mumtaz. These are luxury rooms. Entire the building it made the marble. Marble it came from Makrana. Makrana in Rajasthan, about the 375 kilometer. It's very far away. There is a big rock and mines. How did got the stone? Those did it not automobile, no motor car. King had 1,500 transport of elephant. Elephant brought the stone. Then after very expert stone cutter, the cutting with the handsmade, without machine, only for done by handsmade. Then after more than no limit of that architecture. Look at this detail. Entire the marble decorated with the gems stone, presses and silver stone. This whole floor valuable, factor to the wall. Entire the whole decorated with the gems Government of India is a well preserved, still closed, no one go inside. Before it was opened, people go inside, they try to spoil it, scratches, harm him, but government well preserved, no one go inside. So Shah Jahan himself built this palace for Queen Mumtaz, Queen young and alive, to sit on the center. King and queen together on the center, the octagonal design, octagon. Right and left corner, king and queen used to be seen. The actual triple Leila, Julia, Misha were standing on that slabs. King and queen sat in there. When let's play, before the chosen piece, that might be that your piece. When the call girl of the dance. Left hand side, alive chessboard, alive dice piece. Left hand side is the wild elephant. There is the big wild elephant. King and queen, they're watching the wild elephant fight. But last 8 years, Shah Jahan was very suffering. When he was very closer of the graveyard, his son put on the jail. He said, stop the rule. His son took the power. Father lost of the power, lost of the authority. So very long time in prison. Since 1658 and 1666, Shah Jahan was dead in his palaces. When was prison, he was very suffered. Every Friday he went to Taj Mahal. First went to the Taj. Tomorrow morning you go to Taj Mahal. There you can see the Queen building. Left is the mosque. Shah Jahan first went to the mosque. He used to pray on the mosque. When finished the prayer, he went to the tomb of the Queen Mumtaz Mahal. Center mausoleum of Taj Mahal, there is a big dome of the white marble. Major dome is a weight of the 72,000 ton of the weight. Weight dome the center, this is a queen her first died and buried on the center. After him died, buried out of the center. But Shah Jahan, he loves sick guy. He go down in there, he read of the holy tribute on grave of Mumtaz Mahal every Friday. When finished the tribute, he went to the guest house. Guest house, there he was listening to holy song, holy music. He spent time on Taj Mahal. When finished the tribute, he come back here. When he come back to here, he sit on the center. But he go to very closer of the graveyard. I see here he was screamed, cried badly along with the daughter. But beautiful daughter Jahan, she was very closer. She arranged a small magnifying diamond. Magnifying diamond arranged the father. Look at the wall of marble. Same wall behind. And standing and lean on the floor. You're watching a diamond in the reflection of Taj Mahal. Whenever you're looking Taj, he came out of tear. He said, my wife has never died, but she's still alive. She bathed on the river. When Taj Mahal around the area filled the water, Taj Mahal represent tension, Taj Mahal flying on the water. He said, my wife has never died, still she's bathed on the river. Few seconds stop the heartbeats. The last wish, I want to see Taj Mahal. But how can move? But daughter take the head, keep on the left and watching the diamond, stop the heartbeats. End of the love story, Shah Jahan, Mumtaz Mahal in this palace. How long? End of the love story, 35 years later. 35 years before Mumtaz died and 35 years later Shah Jahan was died. Queen died, I told you, only 38-year-old. King when was died, age of the 71-year-old. I told you the beautiful ladies never long time alive, very short time alive and pass away. Anton of the paradise.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
Right now we are standing on the administrative area. We almost finished royal palaces, like the house of king, bedroom of king, and gardens. So you're behind the beautiful house of lord, as known the Diwanik house. Diwanik house. House of Lord, where the private audience palace, all ministers, ambassadors, cabinet minister, very important people. They came in here, they met with the king. King and minister together, confidential matters solved in these palaces. Who had 30,000 armors, he came in here. He met with the king and armored 30,000 is the confidential matter solved in these palaces. Entered the building time of Akbar the Great, made of the red sandstone. Then his grandson Shah Jahan became as a king. He remodified with the white marble. Even he decorated the beautiful Persian calligraphy. Tomorrow morning you go to Taj inscription of Arabic Holy Book Quran verses inscription on Taj Mahal. These are the Iranian language. Mughal official court language the Persian, but they have got translated Hindi to Persian, Persian to Hindi translator. Even you look at this masterpiece work on the window. This is a very fine work. This is done by hand without this palace closed for public. No one will inside. That's right. Spoiling scratches on this marble. The write the name. But in front of the beautiful courtyard also covered with the marble courtyard covered with the canopy. Can depend for weather, very cold, very hot, very rainy. Today is very cold. So this is a big courtyard the both side two throne. Left hand side throne is a black marble throne. You look at this, one piece of stone made of onyx. You know onyx? Gold is the check of the purity of the gold sandstone. Only one piece of stone. King Jahangir used to sit on the set here. Prime Minister. There is a black dome. Big dome gives the shadow. Summer is very hot, winter very cold, monsoon very rainy. They protect for the dome with this throne, but dome fully demolished by the British people. Mughal decline, the British conquered that fort. 18th century, British ordered to army fire. They were fire, big cannon hit on tower fully demolished and destroyed. One of the cannonball hit in the throne also has been broken. One of the cannonball again jumped in there, jumped and hit on the wall. Look at that hole in the wall for the cannonball. Yeah. The house of the parakeets. There's a naughty guy sitting in there. You know what kind different male and female? Male bone is very attractive. Red color of the neck with the male bone. Without the red color is that female. This is a boy one. He's sitting on the legs. He's naughty. Boy always sitting in the windows. Jaroka. So down in there, the big lawn is still the ground. Just the ground. Look like a soccer field ground, but it was the ladies' lawn. Ladies selling, ladies purchasing, pretty market open full moon night. Full moon open the market. Women seller and women purchaser. Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal first time met in this market. They start the love story in this bazaar. And finally normal woman, normal girls became the queen country of India. And after she died, she finally buried on Taj Mahal. She was a very lucky woman. So, I hope so.
Nice at the background.
Beautiful. Yeah, video. Oh my word.
Window you sit queen sit in the way. Queen can sit outside the here, but outside the people cannot see inside it. Just privacy. Down the stair, a crowd of people sit on the ground and the shelter canopies. And we are counting.
Going right along with the tour guide is very knowledgeable. If you've seen Jodha Akbar, this area here might have been familiar to you. He loves the pics. He wants us to take pics. Pics, pics, pics. Pics everywhere.
सुनो तो जी, एक मिनट सुनो तो जी, सुनो तो।
Oh God, I don't understand. From
From Myanmar,
Myanmar, Mukesh.